So I made these little drawers for the cabinet, and I made a mistake. They're perfect. They came out perfect, except they're half an inch too wide. So I catered for one side, but didn't cater for the other. So I'm gonna have to fix this, and I'll show you what I do to fix it. First step is get these corners sanded off perfectly flush. Okay, that's two corners cut perfectly flush. Now what I'm going to do is cut off that side. So I've set the fence up to be half an inch, a little bit less than half an inch from the fence to the outside of the blade. That way that'll just take off this portion of the side of the door. And the blade is set to be ½ inch high, so it's just coming flush with the bottom, with that side there. And because we didn't glue the bottom of the drawer in, it can actually be lifted right out. So, back to cutting dados. So we're going to cut a dado here and here and here. Cut dados here and here. This will slip back in. We'll trim off the base, the drawer bottom. We'll be back in business. Let me set up the dado stack. Fit as good as the first time. Okay, I think we have successfully rescued a drawer. We'll cut a ½ inch off there. Back in business. So let me finish up the other drawer sides. Come back when we're ready to reassemble. So now we're just going to trim up the drawer bottoms to get them to fit take that ½ inch off. Good as new. And the joints are fitting just perfectly. Start gluing those up. Clamps, I'm just putting on a little bit of just enough pressure until I start to see a little bit of glue squeeze out. Then I know I've got it right. So there's one drawer done. Again. All right, drawers are salvaged. I shouldn't say salvaged. Fixed. They're just fixed. Our next video will be full assembly. Mounting the drawers, put the drawer hardware on, and then do the doors and door hardware. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.